Hi guys, this is Lisa. I'm currently in Tenerife and I'm an Erasmus student for Canary Green, which is an organization who fights for sustainable tourism on the Canary Islands. And in this video I just wanted to show you what you can do on the weekends in Tenerife. And yeah, I just think that we are doing a lot of important things for our nature and for more sustainability, but you know, you have to have some fun too. So I would be happy if you join me during this weekend. Yeah, and just have some fun and enjoy the sun. And yeah, you can see the ocean behind me. Let's go. So if you like, please visit our website and check out all of our cool projects. And yeah, it would be nice if you would like to join our team, which is very friendly and we're having a lot of fun here. I can prove that. This is not my pool, but it seems nice. I'm actually a bit late, but you know, we are in Spain and nobody really cares about if you're late. Or maybe they do, but I don't feel that stressed like at home. What you said. This is supposed to be, but the upper part is turning with the wind, which is cool. We have some nice shops. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Let's see what we have. Hi, it's me again. This is Jenny.
Hello.
Canary Green.
Actually 1 month, but it's like flight like this, and I am helping with human resources, all stuff, and developing my own business idea, which is about career consulting, training courses, and other interesting things.
Yeah, that's great. So we decided to go for a quick walk and have some sangria.
Play or work?
Work hard.
Play hard.
Play hard.
You know.
Yeah, that's good. A member of our team joined us now. It's Hannah.
I'm Hannah, nice to meet you.
She has a really nice outfit. So
ABBA is making a second album, a comeback album, so it's
Yeah,
for them.
exactly.
You know?
On the same page with
Yes,
them.
she's from ABBA. How is it going, Jenny?
Oh.
I'll keep it hush if we do something dumb tonight. So many reasons. Oh my, we should know better. Not talk about sex, but
Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. I'm sweating, but it's just fine. Because she's never hot.
in places we don't want them to know. Come and meet me where the lights are low. I've been thinking about you every night, every day. I can tell your body feel the same, feel the same. Put our hands in places we
sportive as fuck.
Super strong ones. But actually, our manager John came here for the paddle match tour. We joined him and we tried paddle match, but no, we tried to play paddle actually. I'm not sure how it's going on, but it's like so fun.
Yeah. We hope that John will win. Go, John!
In places we don't want them to know. Come and meet me where the lights are low. I've been thinking about you every night, every day. I can tell your body feel the same, feel the same. Put our hands in places we don't want them to know.
Yeah,
Come and meet me where the
Are you enjoying the view? It is.